In this video, we are going to talk about how to make green beans that are bright, crunchy, and full of flavor. We all know that sometimes, green beans can get mushy and lose their bright color. But don't worry, I have got a simple trick to help you make delicious green beans every time. Step 1. Gather ingredients. Let's get started. To make perfectly cooked green beans, you will need a few simple things. First, get 1 pound of fresh green beans. You will also need about 12 cups of water, or about 3 quarts. A teaspoon of salt will help add flavor to the beans as they cook. Step 2. Boil the water. The first thing we need to do is boil the water. Get a big pot, fill it with 12 cups of water, and add a teaspoon of salt. Put it on the stove and let it boil hard. The water should be bubbling fast before you add the green beans. Step 3. Blanch the green beans. Now, once the water is boiling, it's time to add your green beans. Be careful when you put them in, the water is hot. Let the beans cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. You do not need to cook them for too long. Watch the color of the beans. As they cook, the dull green color will start to turn into a bright, shiny green. That's your signal to take them out of the water. If you wait too long, they might lose their nice color and become too soft. Step 4. Shock the green beans. After you take the green beans out of the boiling water, we need to do something called shocking them. This is a very important step. Shocking means cooling the beans down right away to stop them from cooking. To do this, get a bowl of ice water. You will need about 4 cups of water and 3 cups of ice. Carefully put the green beans into the ice water. This will help keep that bright green color and make the beans nice and crunchy. Step 5. Chill and drain. Next up, let the beans sit in the ice water for about 5 minutes. After they have cooled down, you can take them out and drain them. Look at those green beans. They are bright and shiny, with a nice crunch to them. Now you can either eat them right away, put them in the fridge for later, or use them for meal prep. Step 6. Serve or store. Green beans that have been blanched and shocked are great because you can cook them ahead of time and then heat them up when you are ready to eat. If you are getting ready for a holiday meal or a busy week, this method will save you a lot of time. That's it. You have learned a simple way to make perfect green beans. Blanching and shocking gives them that bright green color and a nice, crunchy texture. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our website for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.